Oh, get him!
Oh,
Yes! Oh.
Every time you whip that camera out, I can't throw a net all of a sudden.
That's how I...
God damn, dude.
Don't worry, you can
I get one more redemption shot.
One more redemption shot. Now we're talking.
We caught him good there too. Oh no.
This is Offshore Revenge on the Bay Boat.
Part 3.
Part 3.
How deep does it say we are, Heiko?
We are in 60 feet of water and we got live pilchards. Another beautiful day in the Florida Keys. A slight chop. Nice little chop. Good chum in the water.
Here, I got the bag. You load me up. Yeah.
Yummy. It's a lot of chum.
Take a scoop of yourself.
Ooh.
I'll take one.
Now that's live chumming at its finest right there. Hook them in the belly.
You can do whatever you want, but...
Where's that rod that I...
This one's right here. Ready to go.
This one? Alright. Oh, baby. Alright. Swim, my friend. No!
Damn, you are a master angler. Master sealman.
Yes. Oh, no, he's getting away. I feel him swimming away. That seagull almost got him, though. Come on, fish. Come have a little snack, will you? Come on, kingfish. I know you're out there. Hello. The birds are definitely out. This guy was deep. What was he doing all the way down there?
Territory. Go. Oh, fishing the dead bait. That's why he was so deep.
Well, you know, I was letting him drift to the bottom so he could get eaten by
All
it.
technique.
Yeah.
Fling that sucker out there.
Ooh, that's a lively one. Go on, get me a... Turn from small fish into a bigger fish. Thought I had a fish. Oh, I think I just had a bite, but it took my bait. Oh, didn't just take my bait.
Got your hook?
Got my hook.
Oh, that's a good sign.
Ooh, damn. My line started peeling out and then it just went tink.
Here's a beauty for you.
Oh yeah, hook me up.
You want him through the belly? Through the nostril.
Yeah, and through the nostril. We got that wire on. It's time. Time to catch a toothy critter.
Get him, Heiko.
Swim free, my little friend.
Fish on!
Yeah! Yes! Oh, dude, it's a sailfish!
Right.
Holy sh... Oh. Hey, you wanna reel this in?
I don't know. Or maybe. Hold on.
Then I can get some real good footage of him jumping.
You got him on still?
Yeah, he's on there. He doesn't even know he's hooked. Well, he does, but... Okay, I got my camera. He's kind of just chilling. He's just chilling like a villain. Oh, he's running. Oh! Okay, he's kind of running now.
All right, one more.
He's going straight that way. Oh, he's right here.
All right.
Okay, keep reeling on. If I could get him jumping, that would be sick. I want this sun to be behind us.
Over there.
Yeah. All the requests of a good shot. All right, jump for us, baby. Oh, he's pretty big. Shoot, I'm on the wrong side of him now. Give us a jump for the camera, please.
Here he goes, here he goes.
Oh, I got this.
Oh! Look at him go!
Nice, that was a good jump. Good jump, good jump.
Okay, there's leader.
Yeah, that was... Wow, he's
Neutral,
a big
neutral,
one.
neutral.
He's a big boy.
like on the boat like that. I fucking almost had him, dude. I was just worried about the rod going in.
That was a good sized sailfish right there.
Man, how the fuck did he break me off? Dude, they're here, they're here, they're fucking, I told you this spot was good, man.
The sails are here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I shouldn't even bother doing this right now.
Dude, I mean, that could have been a big mackerel, dude. I don't know, it looked like a sail, but it's so hard to tell. Chum and start throwing filters, like, eventually shit shows up, dude. If you're in a decent spot, it'll happen. Oh, I'm on.
Oh, baby.
He had it. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's right there. He throw. Reel up. He's right there. Oh, wait, dude, that might have been a wire. I just got sitting. Oh, my God. Do you have wire on?
No.
Oh, throw. Dude, he just swiped me. Something toothy just swiped me right at the boat, and it was not a barracuda. It was not a barracuda or a kingfish. It was black. It looked like a wahoo.
Them fish getting fired up down there.
I'm on.
Yes, cars is on.
Maybe not.
No. Oh. Oh, my pilchards are already freaking racing.
More fish in here.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Heiko, listen, I'm gonna try and fight this fish for a minute, but it's too big.
We got to chase him, or should I? We got to chase him.
For a minute.
Should I throw my guy back out there?
Yeah, real quick, try.
You got this. Put it to him.
Watch your line, buddy.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it high.
They were just blowing up back there, so.
You Oh,
dude, quit fucking around. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Right,
Oh shit.
Go up to the bow. Go.
Oh.
Dude, watch your drag.
I wasn't that far.
Just you can't win them all.
Damn.
Probably tied your wind on a little funky.
Let's see what happened here. Oh, it just came off the hook. Maybe I must have pulled out of his mouth then. Oh, that's a big bonita. Do you want to gaff him?
Yeah.
Oh
my gosh.
That was the Hail Mary, you know. Woo! Yeah.
Take it.
That's a big bonita. Some good bait.
Yeah, they're like very, very underrated. I mean, look at how pretty. Look at that color on them.
Free lunch. Come and get it. Dinner served. Yeah, I got wire on this one. I'm gonna run a little bit looser drag.
You usually pop off where your braid meets the.
Well, it never broke off.
Oh, it just pulled the hook?
Yeah.
I don't know. It could be a snapper, dude.
Carson is on again. This one looks good.
He's going for the bottom. This could be a bottom fish.
Bring him up. It might be caught on you. Maybe, nope, never mind.
There's a nice looking chum stick right there.
It is. Beautiful.
I don't know what we got, dude.
What you got?
I don't know. Very bottom fish.
Ooh, is that it?
A jumbo yellowtail.
Jumbo yellowtail. Holy, oh my God, it is. Dude, holy shit. I mean, holy smokes. Dude, do you want to like gaff them or net them or?
Dude, that might be the biggest yellowtail I've ever caught.
Holy, dude, that is a stud yellowtail. Dude, how big is that yellowtail?
It's the biggest yellowtail that I've personally ever caught.
Holy.
That's about as big as they get.
Look at that tail.
Let's see how.
Pinch tail.
24 and a half.
24 and a half.
Actually, 24 and a quarter.
Yeah, that is a pig yellowtail. I want one. I want one for dinner. Where's my piggy? I would say so far we've this is definitely offshore redemption here. I got a J. I got a J hook on this sucker. Ooh, baby.
Ooh, baby, I love your ways.
Come up.
You got a nice fish bite.
Wait, what the heck? Come on. He's got to give up. All right, I gave a little more heat to him. Put a little more heat on him. No! Stealing line. I hope he didn't get sharked.
Oh my God, he was probably a fucking mutton, dude.
Oh man, I should have put the heat to him more, but
yeah. You have wire on there?
Yeah.
Oh my God, he ate the wire.
He ate the wire. I kind of want to put wire on though, but no. Okay.
I mean, if you want to get a kingfish, yeah, whatever you want, bro. There's some big fucking yellowtails out there.
Yeah, maybe I should go for a yellowtail.
I would put I got 20-pound fluoro over here. Or, no, that's good. That's whatever that is.
You using a circle hook for the yellowtail?
I would, yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm out. Oh!
Get him! Get him! Get him!
No!
Oh,
Big boy!
you're about to experience what I just went through.
No, no, not happening.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh, get him!
Oh,
Yes!
broke me up!
Oh.
Dude, those are some nice grouper down there.
Okay, there's big fish. They're playing hard to get. You know, dude, I got some priorities here.
Oh, what have you got?
That might be a sail. That might be a sail. I got wire on here, right? No, I don't. Okay, I don't. Okay.
I don't know what you got on there.
Oh, what the heck is that? Yo, what hit?
Cobia, maybe?
Oh, wait. What happened? He's right under the boat.
All right, follow him.
He's right here.
Don't let him get on the anchor, dude.
Oh, it's a sail.
It's a sail.
Oh, he's going, jumping crazy. Oh, yeah, another sailfish. Oh, he's jumping. All right, we're good. Yeah. Here you go. All right, I'm gonna try to position us perfect.
Always on the braid, dude.
On the braid.
There he is. Whoa.
That was sweet. Nice. We can get in front of them a little bit. All right, yeah, I think we got this. We got this. Woo. You want me to put it in gear?
Just grab the rod. Get ready to. One more bump in gear.
Okay.
All right. Neutral. Here's the rod.
Got it. Woo! He doesn't want to come up.
No, we should have grabbed him when he had him, but always got to get him on the small rods.
Oh yeah. It makes for a great show.
Come over. You're running over. Neutral.
Can you see him down there?
Yeah, just barely.
All right, this is our chance here. Got it.
Need another bump in gear. You can leave it in gear if you want.
Keep,
Yeah, put it in gear.
oh, there he goes. Adios, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Nice work.
The 20-pound leader, not really ideal.
These are some frisky baits. Oh, oh,
came off.
Came off. Did it break, pop off, or?
I don't know. We will find out. Pop the copper, though. I had him on the copper.
Oh,
No, she's done.
that is done. All right, I'm putting a chunk of pilchard on for a triggerfish swimming around in our slick. Oh, yeah. Come here, triggerfish. Oh, look at it, buddy. No, the filefish. No, not this filefish. I gotta get it right in front of the triggerfish's face. Oh, like that. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. These filefish are annoying. Oh, the trigger's swimming to it. No, and then the filefish get to it first. Hold on, it stopped nibbling. One sec. Come back for it. Oh man.
Oh wow.
The triggerfish. They're waking up. They're waking up. They took a bite out of my fish. That's a good sign, actually. Woo-wee. Got some waves. All right, anchor going down. We're in a little deeper water now. 130 feet, anchoring up. All right, we're trying to catch a speedo. Want to get them live baits.
All right, we gotta remember to not make any noise.
Okay, don't make any noise.
Tell the viewers.
Shh. Everybody, shush. We need full concentration. Think about the bait. Think about the fish. They're all looking at it. Oh yeah. Oh no.
You gotta kind of get a little bit medieval with these things because.
Yeah, there we go. We got a bait on. Oh yeah. Woo! Blue runner into the bait pen.
That's one wahoo bait, baby. All you viewers out here, don't be the person that leaves your bait net in the well. I did it. I'm allowed to on my boat. Don't do it though. Not a good idea.
All right, Carson's rule: don't leave your bait net in the bait well. Somebody always leaves the net in the well, and then the baits get stuck on it. There's a fish on there.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Neutral.
Well, I can gaff the fucker. I mean the fudger. What was that? Is it a bonita? Blackfin, right? Or blue runner. Oh my lord, that is a big blue runner. Okay. Yo, that right there will catch like a blue marlin. We gonna troll him? No, just really big chunks left. They don't really want to come out. There they are. Come up. Right there, right here. They pull right out of his mouth.
Shake it really. Once you get her bait, shake it real good, and I'll put the boat here. I'm gonna put this over here so I can shake it for you.
Got one. You letting him back? Okay, we're trolling now, and we just had a hit. Eat the speedo. I command you
I tried to
to.
stop him when it was like started speeding out. I locked the drag down, and it was still pulling drag. We just had a fight, dude. Oh yeah, he's bitten.
Oh, he's bit in half. Oh,
How did he get? How did they miss him?
let's see that carnage.
How did he? How?
He missed all treble hooks.
Oh my god.
He knows how to eat his way around or pick his way around a treble. Okay, we'll keep trolling these baits. Live speedos behind the boat. He's on? We got a fish on.
Put the boat in here for me.
On a live speedo, trolling. Something's on there, right? Okay, whoo!
Top one up.
Okay, I'll reel this one. Barracuda. Bring him all the way in or just leave him right there?
All the way in.
Okay, he's right here.
Alright. Put him on your side of the boat.
He doesn't want to stay on this side. Come on, buddy, this way. All right, he's right here at the boat.
Alright, that should be good. Oh yeah, there's a fish on here for sure.
All right. Oh, yeah.
That or I'm fighting our speedo minnow. That would be really embarrassing. Maybe I'm fighting our speedo minnow.
No.
I think I'm fighting our speedo minnow.
No. No.
Oh my god, I'm fighting our speedo minnow, dude.
Okay.
Oh my god,
Okay.
the drag is way too loose.
Yeah, what's going on here? I thought that was a fish striking.
Tops out there, dude.
We got some sporty conditions out here, some white caps.
Out here in a thunderstorm in a bay boat.
Yep, a lot of wind.
Do it.
That's a big cloud over there. Oh, look at this wave coming. Oh, bother.
Came off.
It came off.
No, I got him. Reel that one up. Heiko, come on.
All right, 1 second. Fuck. All big barracuda.
Tighten the drag on him. You saw a barracuda, right?
Yeah, that was a barracuda, all right. Damn, I got some kunais. But if you're down in the Keys and you're trying to catch some fish, just do what we did in this video. We just go off the reef's edge, or it goes from like 40 feet down to like 60 feet. You could go down to 70, 80 feet and just drive around, try to mark some fish with your fish finder if you got one. Throw the anchor, put a chum bag out, throw out some live baits with your live bait, and it usually, I mean, you saw, produces some bite. But I hope y'all learned something. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.